Hey everybody, Wisconsin Rock Stalker here. Today I'm going to do a video. Oh, if you look behind me, this is the future home of my rock shop slash garage edition. Running out of room. You know I give stuff away. I'm still running out of room. Today I'm going to slab some of the, maybe not slab, but just cut open some of my recent finds. And anyone that looks good, I will show you how to polish them really quick, really easy with a wet grinder, and then we'll see what they look like at the end. Ron Hopus is on the way over. He was up picking moonstone at Bill's Moonstone. He's going to stop over and pick up his win that he got on my channel. So congratulations again to Ron. He's going to come here and save me a trip to the post office. So we'll see how far I get. Maybe he'll show up sooner or later. I'm not sure, but I'll get to cutting and I'll show you after I cut everything. I'll look at the good ones, show you them, and then we'll go on to polishing. Hey everybody, I'm in the middle of stuff, and Ron Hopus and his brother Gary stopped over, pick up their winnings.
I don't know if I have room for all of this stuff.
Not that. Somewhere there, it's somewhere. I don't know how this works.
Amazing.
They're here, they're getting their stuff, they're going to pack it up. He's got a little bit of room for a lot of stuff. Good luck with that. I'll get back to cutting more stuff and show you the rest of the video.
Thanks, Jerry.
You bet. Alright, here we go. Come on, get focused. I might need to turn the camera around, maybe adjust it a bit. Let's see what I can do here. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. Here's that one. Got some gold streaking going on there, a couple red spots. Here was this one, pretty plain. A little bit going on, not too much. Decide which ones we want to cut here. Here was this one. Didn't look like much. I'm going to cut it open, and yeah, that one's kind of interesting. We'll polish that one up. Here's this one. Here's that one cut open. Ooh, it's drying fast in the sun. Here's this one. Yeah, that's kind of an interesting one. And there's this one. This looked like a whole bunch of nothing. One of them conglomerate-y ones. Pretty neat. Now this one was the one that had all the purple and stuff on the outside. I thought this one was pretty nice. You can see, maybe you can't, but there's a lot of lavender in there. Some peaches and stuff. Big crack running right through the middle. That one might be a good one to polish. There was this big monster here. Got some good agate banding going on in there. Ooh, too close. You can see them little baby agates in there. That's a maybe. Okay. Here was this one. Look at that. Ooh, that's a stunner. Oh, I wouldn't think that red. You see that red on the outside? Oh, that's drying fast. That's brilliant red. Wow, that one's nice looking. I'll definitely polish that. Here's kind of a plainy one. Another one of those that just kind of basic black. That's kind of a plain one. You remember this one from the video? This one, look, this was a impressive rock. Cut this guy open and oh, that got some swirling going around in there. There's agates everywhere. That's definitely one I'll polish there. Okay, here's this one. Look at that purple. Wow. Purple and some reds. That's definitely one to polish there. This one. A lot of white. Still got some neat looking stuff on there. Oh, come on, focus. Man, these are just drying really fast in the sun. We'll polish this one, see what it looks like. I'm going to zoom out. And this one. Oops, I'm losing some there. Oh, that's because I'm not zooming. There we go. That's got a lot going on. This would be the maybe. Okay, here's this one. There's another one here. It's all brown. Cut it open and look at that red. Nice. Here's a little flat one. Kind of interesting. Not a lot of colors, but a lot of patterns. Okay, there's this one. It's got a lot going on in that. Here's a red one. Ooh, look at that red. That quartzy looking stuff. Nice. There's a big one. Good red, yellow there. That'd be amazing. Okay, here's this one here. Dude, look at that. Hey, look, it's a little bird landing on a nest. Looks like a seagull. Wow. Ooh, there's a whole lot of going on. We'll definitely watch. There's one of the big monsters here. There's a little agate there. Oh, a bunch of little agating going on there. No, now my camera's doing the crazy stuff again. The agate going on there. Okay, here's this little guy here. This one that kind of looked like a little nodule. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, is that impressive? Look at the pink, purple. Ooh, that'll be definitely a nice one there. Okay, this is the last one that was worthy of showing. Ooh, all kinds of craziness going on in there. Alright, we'll get these wet polished and I'll show you how that works. Alright, here's the wet grinder. You can see it's just a grinder. It hooks up to a water hose. Your water comes in, and when you turn the water valve on, water will come out the middle. You can kind of adjust it, how much water you want. You gotta use a little bit, but not too much. And then the pad is right here. It's little, these are your polishing pads. They got a little Velcro, so they just stick right on, peel right off. They come in like, oh, I don't know, like a dozen different sizes, different coarse grits. I make it easy. I do the 50, which is a really coarse, and then I jump up to like a 200 or something, and then jump up to like a 800 or 1500, and then I do the 3000. So I skip a bunch of steps. Seems to work out fine for me. I just do those 4, get it up to 3000, which is a pretty good polish. I clamp the rocks down in this vise, and then I polish away. I'll show you how that works. Ready? Okay, so here's the grinder. Put my first pad, just like I say, Velcro it on there. That's all you need to do. Stop it. So I put the pad on, and of course I forgot to plug it in. Got some glasses on here so nothing flies in my eyes. Got a different hat on because it's bright sunny out here. Let's turn the water on. I'll show you how this works. Pretty slick. Just need a little trickle coming out of here. Not a lot. Just enough to get stuff wet. There we go. And I'll switch it to my second grit and then continue with the other 4 grits. Turn it off. Okay, so here you go. Less than 5 minutes. It's completely dry. You can see the shine on there. Completely dry and completely polished. Under 5 minutes, probably more like 3 minutes. You can see all that, all this white stuff in here. Oh, all this white stuff. This is little crystals, little voids with crystals in them, right at the surface. Some bigger ones you can see there too. That's how quick it is. Probably 3 minutes to polish this surface, and this is pretty good size rock. 3 minutes, wet, polished with a handheld grinder right there. I got that grinder online. It's a Hardin. I can't remember. It was like what, like 150 bucks or something, I think it was. Polishing pads. the big stack of them for 20 bucks or something like that, and I only use a few of them. I think 5 different grits is what I use. I'll polish the rest of them up and show you what they look like. Okay guys, all finished up. A few of them I did 2, 4, 6, 8. I got 8 done. Probably half an hour, maybe less. Let's take a look at them, shall we? Here's that first one. Pink and orange one. Here was that red one with the white spots. Black streaking going on. This was, where am I at here? Oh, there we go. No, that's not it. There it is. This was that pink one. All the pink in it. This was that, oh, went too far. This was that brown one where it's all brown on the outside, and then it gets that red in the inside. Look at that agate going on in there. There's a little red veined one. Here was, where you at? Oh, there's this little tiny one. This is the one that kind of had the agate look to it. And then here's one was real black. Same thing, you can see the oh, that was the one with the little bird on it, right? The seagull. And like I say, these are a couple minutes with the wet sander. Let's go overspray on it. And you can see they're shined up as good as you can get them to shine up. Oh, let's see how glassy that one is. I think that was the one that looked like the brain. Brains. Well, that was it. Thanks for watching. Again, congratulations to Ron. He picked up stuff today. He got quite the haul because he came down here and drove. I didn't have to mail nothing, didn't have to worry about no shipping weights or no boxes. So I gave him a lot of extra dunnage that I had laying around, stuff that I wasn't using, maybe never was going to use. I don't know. His lucky day. He did good at Bill's moonstone. He got a bunch of moonstones. So they say thanks to Ron for stopping out and saving me a trip to the post office. Thanks for watching.